How to change status in Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Microsoft Outlook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on the Google icon at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on the settings icon over here at the bottom left. Now as you tap on the settings icon, just scroll down and then tap on notifications. As you tap on notifications, you'll be able to see the do not disturb mode. So tap on do not disturb mode and here you can select until when would you want yourself to be in the DND mode or in the busy mode. So you can select it by as until I turn it off or for 1 hour or for until tomorrow. I'm going to select on until I turn it off. And then here you can also tap on the busy status for the during events or during workouts or during quiet time. You can select whichever mode you would want. I'm going to select on during work hours and then I'm going to go back and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.